Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ClearML datasets for training workflows step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the ClearML website. Log in to your ClearML account. Once logged in, go to the Datasets section on the dashboard. Click on the New Dataset button to create a new dataset. Fill in the required details for the dataset, such as the name and description. Select the appropriate version for your dataset if applicable. Once you've completed the form, click on the Create button. After creating the dataset, you will be directed to the Dataset Management page. Here, locate the Download section. Choose the format in which you want to download your dataset. Click on the Download button next to the selected format. If necessary, choose your download location on your device. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, navigate to the location where the dataset was saved. You can now unzip or extract the dataset files if they are compressed. Upon extraction, you can begin integrating the dataset into your training workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.